Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming licenses and signing in. This matters so shared visuals update correctly. Once signed into Power BI and PowerPoint with the same account, open the report you want to export. Make sure you have edit access to the report and that the workspace allows export. Download or enable the Power BI add-in in PowerPoint if it's not present. This lets you embed live visuals rather than static screenshots, saving time when you update later. Now you embed visuals directly into slides. In PowerPoint, choose Insert, then My Add-ins and pick Power BI, sign in again if prompted. Browse to the report, select the page or specific visual, and click Add. PowerPoint places a live frame you can resize. Once added, configure visual interactions and captions so viewers know it's live. Make sure to test refresh behavior. Live embeds pull current data, while snapshots freeze the chart at insertion time. Finish by saving your presentation and sharing it using OneDrive or Teams to preserve live connectivity. Once done, open the slideshow and click the Power BI pane refresh to ensure visuals load with live data. If collaborators can't see visuals, make sure they're signed into the same tenant and have the required license and report permissions. If embedding fails, check the add-in, clear cache, and confirm workspace export settings. Those fixes resolve most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.